kaseng Congress kat banang yat kisngi kalanang do ye kinong mi khmat watla ka election syaga yeng dorbar thau an ke jylla kasa satang shisnem tang ha kene kisngi baar sa uwei pat u MLAbarim jong ka party na Raksamgre u Limison D Sangma u la Phet no na ka party ban le yesno sha ke NPP ya u Limison Sangma la priang burom da menteri rang ba ka jylla u konrat ke Sangma ha ka jingelang ka balengkot ka balalong ha office jong ke NPP halachmir laban kedau hang ne badang ha kapor mestet kisan ngut ki MLA ka Congress kilalet ban kendu ya menteri rang ba ka jylla ban trua bakin long ki bakloi ban yetre lang no bat ka sarkar MDA.
I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our former MLA of Raksamgre constituency, Mr. Limison D Sangma, into the NPP family. He had resigned from the Congress party yesterday, and along with his numerous supporters from his area, he has joined the NPP today, and we are all very happy, and we welcome him into the NPP family. And I'm sure that with his entry into the National People's Party, the party will grow from strength to strength, not only in Raksamgre constituency, but also in the whole of Garo Hills region and the Meghalaya state as a whole. Second is that today in the afternoon at about 1:30, the 5 leaders and MLAs of the Congress legislature party, out of the 5 of them, 4 were present. One had another program, but a letter of support where the signature of all the 5 MLAs was submitted to me, where the MLAs of the Indian National Congress have decided to join the MDA government from the 8th of February 2022, and they wish to support the MDA to strengthen the government's arms and the decision making so as to ensure that their joint efforts will take the state forward in the general interest of its citizens. I welcome the CLP MLAs of the Congress Legislature Party into the MDA, and I thank them for the support that they are offering to the government, and we are happy to accept their support. I have communicated that to them. At the same time, I have also taken the opportunity to brief them on a large number of issues that are related to the state, along with a detailed briefing on the border issue that was there, and brief inputs on the reports that were submitted to the Government of India. I had already intended to meet all the different stakeholders in this regard, as many as possible. I may not be able to meet all, and give them a brief report on the report that was submitted on the border issue. So in the coming days, either myself or the honorable chairmen of the different committees will be meeting different stakeholders, and will be also briefing them also regarding the brief kind of outlines of what was discussed in the, or what were the conclusions that took place in the border resolution that we are trying to work towards. Also who have expressed to join the National People's Party, and in the next few days we will be having a few more leaders from different regions of the state who will be also joining the party, but we will speak about that as and when it happens. MDA before the session is held, so the session also will be coming very soon. We have proposed to the governor, and as and when the governor does approve, we will share the dates with you. And of course, this is also an important development. So we will be calling an MDA meeting shortly, and we'll definitely be discussing with the MDA partners. This is right now a letter of support, and they are also part of the Congress party. So therefore, that is a separate chapter as of now. So I think it's more important to note that they have extended their support in the interest of development and interest of the people in general. And I think we will start with that, and let us see where it goes in the future, and we'll take the decisions accordingly when the time is appropriate. But this letter is a letter for support to the MD government.
Your decision to join the National People's Party.
As all of you know, we were earlier in the Congress Party, but now since there's no more leaders in the Congress Party, so I also have to leave Congress Party and now join in the NPP Party.